Raspberry Pi 400. That's just the case. Anyway, we don't care about the case. What we care about is this cool thing. This is a Raspberry Pi 4. This is a Adafruit and Raspberry Pi. I guess the company makes these. Like, it has official logos. You know, Raspberry Pi, it has the official color, and it's all ingraded Raspberry Pi 4. I wish it was a 5. They didn't have a 5 at Micro Center whenever I went and picked up some gear from Micro Center. But this is a Raspberry Pi 4 embedded into a keyboard. Now the keyboard, of course, I wish it was mechanical, but this is the chiclet style. You know, it's very soft, very very easy to clean. Just slides right off your fingers. I'm gonna use this for some projects and probably learning some more programming on here. But of course, you know, I gotta see if Open Arena runs on it. I'm not gonna do that video today, but I gotta order some stuff. I gotta have a micro SD, which I got, and I have to order in what my camera uses. I do have these, but I don't have an extra one. Micro HDMI to HDMI, so you can output to a TV or monitor or something. But with that being said, anyway, you can actually take this 40 pin out and you could actually put a monitor there if you wanted to. And of course, you could have bought any mouse you wanted, and you can hook up, you know, I don't know if this is wireless or not. It might be. I don't know. It's Raspberry Pi 4. I know some of them do come with wireless. It might be wireless. We'll test that in further videos. This is introduction to Raspberry Pi 400. This reminds you of kind of like back in the 80s, the Commodore 64, some small computer like that, maybe an Apple II. I don't know. That's why I got it. I just think it's cool. Carry this around and program just on it, and I can just pack it, whoop, put it in my pocket, walk on down the road, come back to the house, start programming away, hacking again. But you know, you can install whatever you want on this. Obviously, it's Raspberry Pi 400, so you can handle whatever Raspberry Pi 4 can handle. I wish it had I'm sure they'll make a Raspberry Pi 500, but they didn't have it when I was buying this. But $70, you get a keyboard. You get a Raspberry Pi 4. It's not a bad deal if you ask me, because this is just a big cool case when it's got a keyboard on it already. Like, you just carry it around. Learn programming, play some games. I can't wait to see if this thing runs Open Arena good. What you guys say? You want to see Open Arena? Anyways, enough about that. Hope you guys like the new setup. Me standing up sometimes might be a little different, but I got better wireless mics and stuff, so it should help out. I actually got that at Black Friday too. These wireless mics. I was like, I can't move from the computer, or the other mic I got. What is it called? Blue Yeti. You know, you can only be so far away from them. Anyway, this guy gives me some range. Anyway, you might be able to see some other parts of the house. Like, this is my bedroom here, Spider-Man. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you got a Raspberry Pi 400, or if there's other cool computer technology you'd like me to check out, because that's what I want to do in this channel. Do retro computers, modern computers, cool stuff like that. And video games. Yeah. Anyway, reviews. Anyways, this Full Tech Podcast. Check me out. Hit that subscribe button. Share, please. Please share. Comment down below if you like Raspberry Pis, Linux, Windows, whatever you like. Let me know which one you think's the best in the comment section down below. Anyway, follow me on Twitter at the Smango. We'll see you guys next time.